Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. Some lands are extremely pure, resting in enlightening beings' precious crowns. The great spiritual powers of the Buddhas everywhere, all are seen herein. The voices of the Buddhas fill them all, produced by the power of deeds. Some lands fill the universe, pure, undefiled, arising from mind, like reflections, illusions, boundlessly vast, each different, like in Indra's net. Some show stores of various adornments, set up in empty space. Realms of actions are inconceivable. Buddha's power reveals them for all to see. Inside the particles of each land, constantly revealing the Buddha lands, their numbers infinite, equal to beings. Such is the action of the universally good. In order to fully develop beings, he cultivated practice here for infinite eons, producing great miraculous displays, extending everywhere through the cosmos. In each atom of the lands of the cosmos rest the vast oceans of worlds. Clouds of Buddhas equally cover them all, filling every place. Like the free action in one atom, so it is in all atoms. All the great occult powers of the Buddhas and enlightening beings, vairochana can cause to appear. All the vast lands are like reflections, illusions, or flames. Nowhere is their origin seen, nor where they go, or whence they came. Disintegration and formation recur in cycles without pause in the midst of space. All depends on pure vows sustained by the vast power of action. Then the enlightening being, universally good, said further to the great congregation, "Children of Buddha, the oceans of worlds have various different forms and characteristics. That is to say, some are round, some square, some neither round nor square. There are infinite distinctions. Some are shaped like whirlpools, some like mountains of flames, some like trees, some like flowers, some like palaces, some like living creatures, some like Buddhas. There are as many forms such as these as there are atoms in an ocean of worlds."